Hey guys, it's awesome that you're here to hang out today. You and I are at BDM Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada, and we're checking out a 2024 Polaris Sportsman 570 Trail Edition. What's with the Trail Edition, you ask? Let's find out. Alrighty, so this guy is actually going to be equipped with the active descent control. It's going to have liquid cooling. It's 567 cc's. It has the one-touch on-demand all-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. I was just told that the on-demand all-wheel drive system on the Polaris is actually instantaneous. Somehow it figures it out without much wheel spinning and transfers power to the other wheel, and it works quite flawlessly from what they say. The all-wheel drive system is one that can be kept in the all-wheel drive position for your entire ride and nothing will be damaged. It just apparently works flawlessly. It is equipped with engine braking. It'll have your ProStar 4-stroke dual overhead cam single cylinder engine from Polaris. It's got electronic fuel injection. It's 44 horsepower. And it'll have your typical CVT transmission with the park, reverse, neutral, high and low. So the estimated dry weight on this guy is going to be 396 kilograms or 873 pounds. Your front rack is going to carry 40 kilograms or 90 pounds. That's respectable. The rear rack is going to carry 81 kilograms or 180 pounds. Those aren't bad either. You're going to have a 17 liter or 4.5 gallon capacity for fuel. You're going to have 29 centimeters or 11.5 inches of ground clearance. That's great. Your payload capacity is going to be 220 kilograms or 485 pounds. Obviously seating for one person. Your seat height is going to be 84 centimeters or 33.25 inches. And your wheelbase is going to be 128 centimeters by 50 inches. You're going to have a single lever 3-wheel hydraulic disc brake system on this guy. And with a pedal that'll just operate the rear brakes. Park in the transmission is your parking brake. And a lockable hand lever as well. So the front suspension on this guy is going to be a sealed arched dual A-arm, and it's going to have 22 centimeters or 8.9 inches of wheel travel. Sounds pretty good. The rear suspension again is going to be a sealed dual A-arm IRS with 24 centimeters or 9.5 inches of wheel travel. Ride command is also available for this unit if you'd like it. The tow rating for this guy is going to be 612 kilograms or 1,350 pounds. It's going to be a standard 1.25 inch receiver. Come on, Polaris. What is 2 inches? Seriously. And you've got an all digital gauge, so have all the information you can ever want on that. It's got great LED lighting, even for the third light at the top. So you won't have to upgrade lighting, you won't have to upgrade tires. You won't have to put a winch on it. The Trail Edition is definitely the way to go. It will come with a front bumper, a 2,500 pound Polaris heavy duty winch, 12 volt power plug pre-wired for hand and thumb warmers, in-pod battery charger, which is kind of cool, painted plastics. I really like that electric blue. And it's got front and rear arm guards and an under-seat storage bag. I'll have to check that out in a minute. So it's going to also have a multi-select electric power steering on this guy as well. You're going to have 26 by 8 by 14 Duro tires on the front. Same brand tires on the back, but a 26 by 10 by 14. And of course your 14-inch aluminum rim as well. So you're going to have an updated tire and wheel package, front and rear bumpers, painted plastics, and a winch that comes with this one. I'm really liking this electric blue. The unit looks really cool. It's got awesome LED lights on it, which is great. Decent suspension. And as I said earlier, even the third light is LED as well. So if you are snow plowing or something, there's no need to install other lighting. You've already got it built in. Let's see the storage up front here. Oh, cool. Yeah, same typical storage for Polaris. Not a bad idea. And it's not often that people actually put boxes on the front rack, so yeah, it's a great idea to have some storage under there, and you still have a rack to use. Again with the fully enclosed footwells. That's cool how that's put into the seat. So after a day's ride, you're going to have the word Polaris ingrained on your butt. That's awesome. Great electronics. Let's turn that key. Cool. 12 volt. And here's a charging pod too. Fuel tank is at the front of the machine like it usually is for Polaris's. Super comfortable seat. Fully automatic. And there's your controls for the 4x4. That's interesting that it says 4x4 rather than all-wheel drive. Very cool. So it'll even come with some blanks here, so if you wanted to install some more accessories or lighting or something, you can put your switches right into there. They just pop off. So you use your thumbnail. Okay. Pretty simple. Back rack. It's interesting how they got these circles here so you can tie buckets down if you needed to. Not a bad idea. Still a disappointment that they can't put a 2-inch receiver on there. Don't know why. You've got great towing capacity. Let's check underneath the seat, shall we? So here you're going to find your airbox. That's a bit of a bummer. A lot of manufacturers are now putting the airbox way up here, just a little bit higher, in case you're having to go through some deep water. Oh, cool. Whoa, that goes way the hell back there. Very cool. So it's good that there's a little bit more storage rather than just the front. Awesome. Well, guys, I'll conclude another one for Canadian Quarters Review. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button before you go. If we can get 10 likes per video, that'd be so cool to help the algorithms do their thing. And if you happen to know anybody that has a similar interest, please show them my channel, because word of mouth is the best form of advertisement ever. So come on down to BDM Motorsports and check these guys out. They've got definitely a full showroom of accessories and parts, and obviously units of all sorts. Come and talk to Jim. He's a fantastic guy to talk to. He's very knowledgeable. He loves to teach. And also, when you have a minute, check out my second channel called The Campfire Retreat with Mark. It's about campfires and ATVing and just contemplating life, and it's just an all-around fun day. So yeah, if you have a second, go check that out. And with that, guys, I am out of here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks again for watching.